guys, we're going to play Melon Playground, and I will show you all of my saves. First up, wait a minute. Let's spawn Ghost Melon. Let's just do this. Now he's a ghost now. Perfectly ghost. Now this is Giant Pumpkin. That is useless. Just a one hit. He's so big. Let's just spawn him over here. He's destroyed already. Now next is a skinny apple. His body parts are chopped. Now this is a strong melon. Noob. Let's just clean our player. This is funny. Like that. Then not that already. Now it's hurt melon, but he's immortal. See, he's immortal. It's just hurt. Now let's spawn the biggest bomb. Let's just explode this. That's so large. But this thing is still tiny. See? Nothing happens to me. I'm still alive because I'm immortal. Now, that's all for now, guys. Like and subscribe and tell me to the comments what should I do next.